Hey, Maria. Do you like the baby? What does he say? Are you sitting with him? Very nice. See, oh, did he spit up? Should we get the cloth? Wipe up his mouth? Bless you. Here, Maria. Good girl. Thank you so much for your help. Okay, that's good. Oh, wiping up the pillow? Thank you. Yep. Okay, that's good. You don't need to do it anymore. Oh, no, no, no. No. Gentle. Yep. He's all clean now. Yep. Where are his feet? There they are. Where are baby Michael's hands? Oh, be careful. Sit up, okay? Sit up. Sit up, Maria. There you go. I think he loves you very much. He's giving you kisses. All right, say bye.